When I wake up in the morning, touch his little fluff starter, see his little mittens, give his nose a boot.
So I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family, credit cards in the scammers. I
came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love.
I was today years old when I found out that when red pandas get surprised, they stand up like humans and throw their hands up in the air. You ever get so surprised by a rock that you turn into a person?
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Stop. Before you scroll, take a look at my fluffsters. They're really fluffy. You will not regret it. This is Timia. He's super fluff. And this is Billy. He's like a croissant, but more fluffy.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to...
I can do it, but I'm only human, and I bleed when I fall down. I'm
Fox? Where's the Finnegan Fox? Where's the Finnegan Fox? Who is that Finnegan Fox?
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my...
Come on, Fiji. Come on. Hi. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Be careful.
Could you come give me attention? Don't look at me like that. You're scaring me, don't do that. You look like a shark, don't do that. See, the thing is, I didn't do anything to you for you to abuse me like that.
Just sing this song, so wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design.
He scary skeleton shouts startling shrilly screams. They'll sneak from their sarcophagus and just won't leave you be.
Yeah.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. gumdrop, snickle.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I like me better when all